Hello friends, welcome back. This will be a short video which is going to brief about gradient descent. Gradient descent is an iterative way of optimizing the weights. So if you look at the hypothesis, right? So I write Wx plus b and the cost function that I'll write it as, or the mean square error, I'll write it as 1 by m, summation running from I is equal to 1 to m, y of I minus hypothesis whole square. This is a mean square error that we are taking. So what am I interested in? I'm interested in updating the weight of W as well as B. So initially we start with the random value of W and B. So and gradient descent algorithm helps me to arrive at the line which is the best fit, right? So what is the updation formula? In order to update W, the symbol W, a colon followed with equal to is an update symbol. Say I want to arrive at a new value of W which is updated with older value minus alpha times partial derivative of J with respect to W. This is how I update the value of W. Similarly, B is updated with the value B new value is equal to B old value minus alpha times the partial derivative of J with respect to B. So since there are two parameters, I'll be updating two of those parameters. So if you consider this cost function or MSE, so this was the equation that we have seen. Now, if I take a partial derivative, once I'll take with respect to W, other one I'll take with respect to B. If I take the partial derivative of J with respect to W, I end up in equation minus 2 by m summation y minus wx plus b into x. Similarly, when I take a partial derivative of j with respect to b, I will end up with this. So, keeping this as equation, we will take it for the implementation. Before we start with the implementation video, there are three terminologies I want to introduce. What are those three terminologies? Are epoch, iteration, and batch size. What do you mean by epoch? Epoch is nothing but one time I'm passing through the entire data set. That refers to epoch. On the other hand, iteration refers to one parameter update. Say in the previous equations we have seen m and b. One iteration refers to updation of m and w, or m and c, or w and b. And finally, the batch size is number of samples used in one iteration is nothing but your batch size. All these three concepts will be helpful in the next video. See you in the next video with the implementation of gradient descent. Thank you.